Hey everybody, it's Landon with O.K.I Overlanding. I'm here with Chris and Jason. We just wanted to take a minute to explain what O.K.I Overlanding is and what we're about. O.K.I Overlanding, it's O.K.I, off-road, camping, and information. We'd like to take you on a journey with us as we get into those three experiences and those three factions of what we enjoy when we come out into nature. Off-roading, we do enjoy off-roading. The Daniel Boone all over Southern Ohio. We're based out of Cincinnati, roughly. So we get all over Kentucky, West Virginia, Indiana, Ohio itself. There's a lot more trails in Ohio than a lot of people think or even try. So also our camping setups, we all ground tent as of right now. So we're going to talk more about that. We're going to review products of camping and our cooking setups and all that. We're going to walk through that stuff with you. Information. Here's the big one. When we get into this and we started doing it, we just kind of blindly walked into all this stuff. We did a lot of research, a lot of YouTube videos. We are going to get into that ourselves also. We're going to help educate you into off-roading and camping and just general trail information. The other thing that we're going to introduce you to is just a good time, we hope. When we're out and about, it's not just going to be in the woods and camping and information, installs on one of our rigs. We're going to take you places. You might hit the trails, but every now and then you got to pull up on the pavement and you got to experience something cool. And there's so many places that we've all been that you want to share with people, and we're going to do that also. It's not all about mud, dirt, and being in the woods. You got to pull up. You got to experience something new every now and then. So we want to take you on that trip. We want to take you on this journey with us out into the wilderness a little bit. And you're going to be surprised what you might learn. Jason and myself are both prior service, so some of the survival stuff, some of the weird stuff that we carry, you might not have thought of. So a lot of the stuff that I carry, some people have never thought of. And it may not make sense, but when we talk about it, it could. Chris has years, decades of mechanical experience. And that's going to come in useful when we start doing some of our bigger installs. We hope to teach you some of that also. And just, we're going to introduce you to some of our friends that are just, they run the gamut of talent and abilities and just genre of what they do, just to try to bring you one more piece of information and how it could tie to your journey when you go out overlanding and camping. So if you would, come along with O.K.I, enjoy the outdoors, enjoy off-roading, enjoy camping. If you're not careful, you might learn something also. So join us, like, share, subscribe. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We have you on YouTube. And don't forget the website, www.okioverlanding.com. Come along for the journey. Thank you all.
Just popping in, it's Chris from O.K.I. If you're liking this video and like the content you see, please like, subscribe. Check us out on all the social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Don't forget our website, OKIoverlanding.com. See you soon.